What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, this is breaking news that I just got this morning that Binance has done their quarterly burn. This may come to a surprise to a lot of people because maybe they don't focus on Binance or they don't focus on a lot of these bigger players doing these burns because they don't think that it's a thing, right? A lot of people will look at burns and say, it's not worth it. But if CZ and Binance think that burning is worth it, shouldn't we explore burning a lot more as an option to improve liquidity or improve the strength of a project, right? So I wanted to talk about this quarterly burn, give my 2 cents on the whole situation, and look at BNB as a whole, understand where the circulating supply is and why this is important. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. My Twitter is at Perry8K, but you can find the links down below. Now, don't forget about everything else that's in the description. I have my referral links for KuCoin, for Crypto.com, for Coinbase, for Webull, if you want to check out all of those. But let's talk about this big news that we've had, which is Binance doing a quarterly burn. And again, this may fly over people's heads because, again, they think that burning is not a real thing, that it doesn't make sense to some people. Binance has been doing these burns for a long time now. And to have it established as a normal process shows you how much CZ actually believes in burns. So, anyways, this is the article here. Binance burns over $480 million worth of BNB in the 24th quarterly burn, the 24th quarterly burn. So they've been doing this for a while. Why would people not believe in burns at all? And then you see, CRO do burns as well. And you can understand that they have their value to them. But some people just deny it. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, completed its 24th quarterly burn of its native token, burning 1.9 million BNB. 1.9 million, and that may not sound like a lot because some people may be used to seeing maybe hundreds of millions that are burning in Shiba Inu, or hundreds of millions that are burning in Terra Luna Classic, or 70 billion that has been burned for CRO. But 1.9 million is a lot for BNB, seeing how their supply was only 200 million to start with. The development carried out every 3 months should help the company reduce their overall supply to of the coin to 100 million. That's their goal, is to get it down to 100 million. I don't know if they're going to continue this burn after that. I know I've seen that they said it would stop at 100 million. So I'm not 100% sure exactly where they're going, if they're going to continue to decrease that supply. If it was me, I would obviously continue to decrease the supply because it creates strength within the project. Binance informed that its most recent BNB burn equaled approximately $484 million. The process also included 747.51 BNB that was burned via Pioneer Burn program, a feature that helps customers who have lost access to their BNB tokens. Binance's CEO, I can't speak, CZ weighed in on the matter, saying said everything was done according to the public algorithm. So again, this is coming from the largest crypto exchange. This is coming from the CEO of the largest crypto exchange. You know that burning has to be important. So for people to claim that burning isn't a thing, I know it's not a utility, right? It is something that can create strength within the project. But depending on where that comes from, it can create strength just from, let's say, transactions, as if a buildup of transactions that you have. I don't really know exactly where this is coming from, if it's just their money that they're just burning off. Because Ultimately, it does create strength within the project, but you want to see it come from standard transactions that are not just coming from, the company itself. I mean, they have profits that they're making from everything a part of the exchange. So it makes sense that they could do that for themselves, but it would also make sense if it comes from all parties involved, the entire project, right? But either way, you're seeing strength that's being added to BNB in the form of a higher price ceiling. When you decrease that supply, you have a higher price ceiling. It doesn't mean that you'll get up to that point. It means that you could go up to that point or even higher as more burns are happening, if that makes sense. So CZ believes in it. Binance believes in it. Why don't you guys believe in it? Why don't we see a lot of support for Terra Luna Classic to burn per transaction, right? It can't come from the team itself. It has to come from the community, because that's how it should work, right? That's how it works the best for a project, especially if you don't really have leadership that has a ton of money, right? Or a ton of profit. So that's the quarterly burn. It's great to be able to see that, they burned off $480 million worth of BNB, which is about 2 million BNB there. Now, BNB's price is currently at $241.83, which is a $37 billion market cap with $658 million worth of volume. If we look at the current supply, we're seeing 153 million coins. They're very, very close to getting to that point. I mean, yes, it is quarterly, so it's going to take a while to get down to that 100 million supply. But within that time, you're going to see a ton of movement, via the bull market. See BNB up at these higher levels. While you saw BNB at $700 before, the price range could be up in the 800 to 900 range, just for the all-time high, or to hit back to those market cap levels that it has been at. But then also, seeing what the future could bring with the future bull run, the larger bull run that you could have with BNB. So I'm excited about this. I know there's a lot of other people that are excited, but some people that still don't see value in burns, even though the largest crypto exchange sees the value in burns. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel for my other channels. And you can also just go to my other channels if you want to be a part of anything else. I have a golf channel, I have an NFA channel. All you have to do is go over to my main channel, go to channels, you'll see my associated channels. This has turned into my investing channel. So if you want to be a part of that, feel free to go over and subscribe over here and, be a part of the stock investing channel as well as the crypto investing channel. But like I said, I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.